Hi, my friends! Have you ever created a paint pour, waited for it to settle, and then realized there are no cells? Everything looks right when it was wet. The colors are beautiful, but once it started drying, the surface just looked flat. If this has happened to you, you're not doing anything wrong. This is extremely common. There are a few hidden reasons why this happens. I want to walk you through 5 of them, because once you understand this, everything starts to make a lot more sense. The first hidden cause is paint density. Cells form when paints have different weights. Some paints are naturally heavier, and some are lighter. When the heavier paint sinks, it pushes the lighter paint up. That's what creates cells. If your paints are all similar in density, nothing rises and nothing sinks. So you won't see any cells form. The second hidden cause is paint consistency. If your paint is too thick, it can't move enough for cells to develop. If it's too thin, everything blends together and the separation disappears. There's a balance where the paint can move freely but still hold its structure. The third hidden cause is layer order. This one is huge. If lighter paint is already sitting on top, it has nowhere to go. But when heavier paint is above the lighter paint, it sinks and allows the lighter layers to come through. Just changing the color order of your colors can completely change whether cells appear or not. The fourth hidden cause is not enough movement. Cells often show up as paint stretches and moves across the canvas. If the paint stays in one place, those separations may never reveal themselves. Sometimes tilting is what allows the cells to actually appear. And the fifth hidden cause is relying on silicone alone. Silicone can help cells develop, but it's not the main cause. Cells come from the interaction between density, consistency, and movement. Silicone just helps make the separation more visible. Once you understand these 5 things, paint pouring stops feeling random. This is actually one of the reasons I created Paint Pour Academy and the 30-day challenge. It walks you through the exact foundations step by step, so you understand why techniques work, not just how to do them. I'll put a link in the description box below if you want to go take a look. If you've struggled with getting cells, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear what's happening in your pours. Thank you for chatting with me, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.